more planes on there. Fucking it's constant. That's absolutely ridiculous.
Planes, yeah. Little account is taken of the impact on the ground of the noise of planes. Completely ignored in all these grand schemes to open further airports and runways and nonsense, and this stupid idea of London being the European hub, just so planes can land here, people can transfer to another plane and then take off for somewhere in Europe. It's completely unnecessary. If they're going to Frankfurt, let them bloody fly to Frankfurt. And this nonsense of a European hub business for England, it's screwing up all of the people who work in films and television. That's a business too. The Americans know that. The Americans put $1 billion into the film industry last year. They know what the score is. They're not happy to rest on their laurels. But this government seems determined to screw the film industry. And not just in that way. I'll come back to that another time.